How's it going, guys, and welcome to the Mecad Minute. So today I'm going to be talking about a 2018 file importability of SOLIDWORKS known as the 3D Interconnect. So 3D Interconnect can open native CAD files from other CAD softwares inside of SOLIDWORKS without converting the file type. It can handle the following file types: ACES, Autodesk and Inventor, CATIA, IGES, JT, PTC, Solid Edge, STEP, and NX software. If I need to modify the actual geometry, I can decide to break the link and translate the file to SOLIDWORKS format. This isn't reversible though. So before 3D Interconnect existed, the only way was to translate the file. 3D Interconnect also has this capability. It's called the break link function, but it uses new and improved translators. So premium SOLIDWORKS also includes the CATIA translator. Some older versions of files, like all the IGES or all the STEP files, they can't be converted using 3D Interconnect. But you can revert to old traditional translators by disabling 3D Interconnect. So if I want to disable 3D Interconnect, I just go here to the settings, go to import, and turn off the 3D Interconnect option. And that'll allow me to open up an older file. For example, I've got over here an older Solid Edge file that isn't able to open up with the 3D Interconnect translators. So when I click open with it off now, it'll open up the file. Just to turn it back on, you just open up your settings and you go to the import and turn on enable 3D Interconnect. And that's all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I will check you guys in the next Mecad Minute.